Hello guys. Welcome back to my channel, Writing Practices. Today, we are going to learn how to write a maternity leave request letter. What is a maternity leave request letter? A maternity leave request letter is a formal document written by an expectant mother to her employer, to formally request time off from work due to pregnancy and childbirth. This letter typically includes details, such as the expected date of commencement of maternity leave, the expected duration of the leave, and any specific arrangements or requests related to the leave period. The letter may also include information about any relevant company policies, such as maternity leave policies, and may express the employee's commitment to facilitating a smooth transition during their absence. It serves as a professional and proactive way for an employee to communicate their intentions regarding maternity leave, and to seek the necessary approvals and accommodations from the employer. Here, Writing Practices will show you how to write a maternity leave request step by step. Check this out. First of all, you need to write your full name. Under it, write your home address. And then, write the date of the letter. You need to use the format of month, date, and year. After that, write the information about the recipient of this letter. Write the recipient's full name. And you can also write their job position in the company. And write the company name. Under it, write the address of the company or organization. When you do it, don't forget to include the number, street name, city, state, and zip code. After that, you can open the letter with a salutation. You may write, "Dear Mr. or Mrs. or Ms., followed by the last name of the recipient. In the first paragraph, you need to write the subject of the letter. In this case, you need to clearly state the subject of the letter, which is the request for maternity leave. And here is the example. I am writing to formally request maternity leave starting on February 1, 2024. And ending on May 1, 2024, as per my doctor's recommendation. After that, you need to give brief introduction about your pregnancy. Clearly express the purpose of the letter, which is to formally request maternity leave, and provide the expected start and end dates. Here, you may write something like, "I am currently 28 weeks pregnant, and would like to begin my maternity leave on February 1, 2023. After that, in the second paragraph, this is where you give supporting documentation. Yes, you need to mention that a medical certificate from the healthcare provider is attached. And you are confirming the anticipated due date, and recommending the duration of the maternity leave. Here is the example of how you write it. I have attached the medical certificate from my healthcare provider, confirming the anticipated due date, and recommending the duration of my maternity leave." In the third paragraph, this is where you talk about your transition plan. It is a must that you inform the employer that arrangements have been made for the HR department to handle administrative responsibilities during the absence. Here is the example. During my absence, I have made arrangements for the Human Resources Department to handle my administrative responsibilities. Besides that, you must also express commitment to ensuring a smooth transition of duties. And offer also assistance in training or documentation. You may write something like, "I will ensure a smooth transition of my duties before my departure." And provide any necessary training or documentation to facilitate a seamless handover. In the fourth paragraph, you can talk about adherence to policies. Sure, you need to show that you acknowledge awareness of, and commitment to adhering to company policies regarding maternity leave. They are including notification procedures and documentation requirements. If you don't know what to write, you may simply copy this. I understand and will adhere to the company's policies regarding maternity leave, including any notification procedures and documentation requirements. And you need to mention maintaining communication during leave. Yes, you have to express commitment to maintaining open communication during the absence and availability for updates or inquiries. You may write something like, I am committed to maintaining open communication during my absence, and will make myself available for any necessary updates or inquiries. And here, you can give your contact information like phone number, email address, and so on. In the fifth paragraph, this is where you show appreciations. Express gratitude for understanding and support during this crucial time. And here is the example. I appreciate your understanding and support during this exciting yet crucial time in my life. Sure, you can modify with your own language. And mention for additional information. Ask if there are any additional forms or procedures to complete, and request information at the earliest convenience. Here is how you write it. If there are any additional forms or procedures I need to complete, please let me know at your earliest convenience. For the closing paragraph, you need to thank the recipient for considering the request. You can simply write, "Thank you for considering my request," and then express anticipation for returning to work on the specified date. Here is the example. I look forward to returning to work on May 1, 2024. And resuming my responsibilities with renewed energy and dedication. Finally, you can close the letter with sincerely. Add your signature, and write your full name. And include relevant contact information as well, such as employee ID, phone number, and email. So, that's how you write a maternity leave request letter step by step. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you soon.